Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study alone without getting bored. First, find a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Next, define what you want to accomplish in your study session. Perhaps aim to complete 2 chapters or solve 10 practice problems. Breaking down bigger assignments into smaller, more manageable parts, like studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, can also make the process less daunting and more engaging. To keep things interesting, try active learning. Instead of just reading, quiz yourself on the material or explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. Don't stick to just one textbook. Explore different articles, videos, or online courses to get fresh perspectives. Visual aids, like drawing diagrams or using colorful flashcards, can also make complex information easier to understand and remember, preventing monotony. Maintaining motivation is key. Plan for short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to stretch or grab a snack. Celebrate your progress, even small wins, like finishing a tough section, with a small reward. Understanding how your studies apply to real-world situations or your future goals can also provide a powerful sense of purpose, making the learning process much more meaningful and less boring. If you find yourself getting distracted, identify the culprits. Is it your phone, social media, or something else? Take steps to minimize these interruptions. Don't hesitate to connect with online study groups or forums for support and new ideas. You're not alone in this journey. And speaking of making life easier, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help streamline your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.